Looking to find out whether Copy.ai or Ink for All is the better AI writing tool for marketing? Well, you're in the right place. These two platforms are widely used in the marketing world, but they each have their strengths and weaknesses. So let's dive into how they stack up and figure out which one is truly better for marketers. First, let's talk about Copy.ai. It's a popular AI writing tool known for its ability to quickly generate creative content. Whether you're working on blog posts, social media captions, or email marketing campaigns, Copy.ai's templates are an easy starting point. The user interface is simple and intuitive, which makes it really beginner-friendly. It's especially strong when it comes to generating high-conversion marketing copy and content ideas. However, despite its ease of use, there are limitations. The templates, while helpful, can sometimes feel a bit repetitive. And while the content is decent, it often needs refinement to really hit the mark. Copy.ai can be great for quick drafts, but if you're after more customized, in-depth content, it might fall short. Plus, depending on your plan, the output can feel generic, and you may need to refine it significantly for specific audiences. Next, let's look at Ink for All. Now, Ink for All has a solid reputation in the content creation space, particularly when it comes to SEO optimization. If you're trying to write content that's not just good, but also search engine friendly, Ink does a great job at helping you create SEO optimized content without needing to dive deep into keyword research yourself. It integrates with tools like Surfer SEO and provides real-time SEO suggestions, which can be a huge time saver for marketers. That said, Ink for All doesn't have the same creative flexibility as Copy.ai. If you're looking for more creative, varied outputs, Ink might feel a bit rigid, and its templates don't have the same variety as Copy.ai's. It's more structured, which can be good for SEO, but may lack the flair you want in a social media post or brand storytelling. Now, we need to talk about pricing. Both Copy.ai and Ink for All offer different pricing tiers, but one thing to consider is that Copy.ai's free trial is more limited compared to Ink's. If you're on a budget, Ink might give you more leeway to explore without spending too much upfront. On the other hand, Copy.ai has more affordable monthly plans, so if you're just getting started and don't need extensive features, it could be the more budget-friendly option. The next thing we should discuss is customer support. Copy.ai support is pretty responsive, but Ink for All takes the lead here. Ink offers more personalized help with live chat and one-on-one consultations. If you need more hands-on assistance with your marketing content, Ink for All might win this round for support. The fourth thing to consider is the customization and flexibility of the tools. Copy.ai offers a more diverse range of templates for various types of marketing content, but Ink for All focuses more on giving users control over the tone, style, and length of the content. It's a bit more customizable in terms of voice, so if you're looking to maintain a consistent brand tone, Ink for All might be the better option. So, after comparing these two AI writing tools, Copy.ai and Ink for All, both are strong choices for marketers, but they cater to different needs. Copy.ai is fantastic for quick, creative content generation, especially if you need ideas or fast drafts. But if you're serious about SEO and want something more customizable and structured, Ink for All could be your go-to option. That said, after trying both of these tools myself, I found a competitor that outshines them when it comes to marketing. If you want a better alternative with more robust features tailored specifically for the goal of creating high-conversion marketing content, I recommend taking advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description below. By using our link, you'll get access to the best trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Trust me, you won't regret it.